Earth's climate system is a masterpiece of complexity, shaped by countless factors interacting over vast timescales. It is a story written in fire and ice, in shifting continents and changing oceans, in atmospheric gases and the tilt of the planet itself. To understand this grand tale, scientists have turned to one of nature's most extraordinary archives, ancient ice. Hidden deep within the polar ice caps lie layers upon layers of compressed snow, each a frozen page in the history of our planet's environment. These ice sheets are far more than inert blocks of frozen water. They are time machines, preserving minute bubbles of air, particles of dust, volcanic ash, and isotopic signatures that reveal the temperature of Earth's past. Through painstaking drilling operations and sophisticated laboratory analyses, researchers have unlocked climatic stories stretching back hundreds of thousands of years, far beyond the reach of written records or human memory. The formation of ice cores begins with snowfall accumulating year after year, compacting under its own weight into dense, crystalline ice. Each annual layer captures a snapshot of the atmosphere's composition, holding within microscopic bubbles of air that trap greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide and methane exactly as they were when the snow fell. By analyzing these trapped gases, scientists can reconstruct the atmosphere's chemistry over vast periods. The ratio of oxygen isotopes, oxygen 16 and oxygen 18, within the ice also serves as a thermometer, indicating past temperatures and thus painting a vivid picture of Earth's climatic ups and downs. Some of the longest ice cores extend back more than 800,000 years, providing an unprecedented window into glacial cycles, interglacials, and the transitions between them. One of the foundational discoveries linking ancient ice data to climate change came with the identification of Milankovitch cycles. These cycles, named after the Serbian scientist Milutin Milankovitch, describe the periodic variations in Earth's orbit and axial tilt caused by gravitational interactions primarily with Jupiter and Saturn. Eccentricity, the shape of Earth's orbit, shifting from more circular to more elliptical over roughly 100,000-year cycles. Axial tilt, obliquity, the angle between Earth's rotational axis and its orbital plane, oscillating between about 22.1 and 24.5 degrees roughly every 41,000 years. Precession, the wobble of Earth's axis over a cycle of approximately 23,000 years, which affects the timing of the seasons. Together, these cycles regulate the distribution and intensity of sunlight reaching the Earth's surface, acting as a celestial metronome for glacial and interglacial periods. The remarkable alignment between ice core climate records and these orbital cycles confirmed that Earth's climate system is, in part, driven by the subtle rhythms of the cosmos. Yet, Milankovitch cycles alone do not fully account for the magnitude of observed climate shifts. Earth's climate system includes powerful feedback loops that can amplify or mitigate initial changes in solar forcing. For example, when global temperatures drop, ice sheets expand, increasing the Earth's albedo, its reflectivity. More sunlight is reflected back into space, further cooling the planet in a reinforcing cycle. Conversely, melting ice reveals darker land or ocean surfaces that absorb more solar energy, accelerating warming. Greenhouse gases act as another critical feedback. Ice core data reveal that as temperatures rise or fall, carbon dioxide and methane concentrations follow, magnifying the warming or cooling trends. These gases trap heat in the atmosphere, ensuring that even slight increases can lead to significant shifts in global climate. Understanding these feedback loops is crucial, as they demonstrate how small triggers can lead to dramatic climate transitions, highlighting the sensitivity of Earth's climate system. While glacial cycles often unfold over tens of thousands of years, the ice core record also tells us that climate change can be startlingly abrupt. Events like the Younger Dryas, a sudden return to near-glacial conditions about 12,800 years ago, unfolded over mere decades, a rapid cooling that disrupted ecosystems and human societies. Similarly, data from Greenland's ice cores reveal multiple abrupt warmings and coolings during the last glacial period, known as Dansgaard-Oeschger events. These rapid swings illustrate that the climate system can switch states quickly, possibly triggered by changes in ocean circulation, shifts in atmospheric patterns, or volcanic activity. These surprises underscore the fragile equilibrium of the climate system and warn us that past climate behavior was not always gradual or predictable. In stark contrast to these natural cycles, the modern era has seen an unprecedented surge in greenhouse gas concentrations, driven largely by human activity. Fossil fuel combustion, deforestation, and industrial processes have rapidly increased atmospheric carbon dioxide and methane levels far beyond the natural ranges recorded in ice cores. This rapid shift is happening on a timescale far shorter than any previous natural change, challenging ecosystems and human civilizations alike. Ancient ice offers a critical baseline, helping scientists distinguish natural variability from human influence and providing context for the changes unfolding today. The lessons from Earth's past climate cycles are a call to action, an urgent reminder that while the planet's climate is resilient, it is not immune to rapid and potentially catastrophic changes. Research into ancient ice and climate cycles is far from complete. New ice cores are being drilled in Antarctica's remote regions, seeking to push the climate record back over 1 million years. These efforts promise insights into the dynamics of past superglacial periods, long-term carbon cycles, and the interplay between climate and biosphere. Coupled with advancements in satellite monitoring, climate modeling, and oceanography, these studies are refining our understanding of Earth's complex climate system. Multidisciplinary approaches are key, integrating ice core data with sedimentary records, tree rings, coral growth patterns, and more to build a comprehensive picture. These scientific strides are critical for improving predictions of future climate change and informing policy decisions aimed at mitigation and adaptation. Beyond science, the story encoded in ancient ice challenges us to reflect on our place in Earth's long history. It reveals a planet shaped by forces far larger than human lifetimes, yet one now profoundly influenced by our actions. The ice is a silent witness to epochs of frozen silence and vibrant growth, to species' rises and extinctions, and to the fragile balance that sustains life. It reminds us that climate is not a distant abstraction, but a living, breathing system that affects every corner of the globe, from the depths of the oceans to the highest mountains. As we gaze into these frozen chronicles, we see both the power and vulnerability of our planet, and the urgent responsibility to preserve its delicate equilibrium for generations to come. The ancient ice sheets are the Earth's memory, etched in crystal and gas, a testament to time's passage and nature's rhythm. Decoding these climate cycles is more than a scientific endeavor. It is a journey into the very soul of our planet. In the silent depths of frozen time, Earth whispers its secrets. It tells of ice ages and warm interludes, of slow cycles and sudden upheavals, of resilience and fragility. Listening closely, we find wisdom, an understanding of change that guides us in an era of unprecedented transformation. The story of Earth's climate, preserved in ancient ice, is a beacon of knowledge and hope, urging humanity to tread lightly, to respect the past, and to shape a sustainable future on this ever-changing world.